Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your JetBlue Mastercard. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in jetbluecard.com/activate and press enter. You will now be taken into the activation link from which you can activate your card. So just type in your card number followed by the security code. Then enter the last 4 digits of your social security number and then select your occupation. If you're having trouble finding any of the credentials, you can look at the instructions at the right side which tells you where to find your card number and your security code. Finally, click on the activate button and your card will be activated. You can also click on the login button from which you can log into your Barclays online account first, which will allow you to activate your card even faster. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate your MasterCard with JetBlue. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.